Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another Fortnite glitch or hack. This one is how to get your own custom lobby bot. And basically what a lobby bot is that it's basically like a bot that joins your lobby and you can control it by like writing some commands. Like you can make it like change its emote or make it change its skin to like Renegade Raider or something. Yeah, so you can make it like change to like any skin and do like any emote you want or something. Yeah, so first you have to go to this link right here, which is in the description below, and then click clone or download, and then click download zip. So once it downloads, just press open right here, and then click and then click close here, because you don't have to buy a license. Click close, and then click extract to, and then click desktop, and then click OK. And then once it's done, just minimize that. Make sure you have Python downloaded. So go to this link in the description below, click downloads, and then click this right here. So this downloads Python, which is needed for this hack. And then also you have to download Microsoft Visual Studio. So go to the link in the description too, and just scroll down and click free download, and then click Windows or Mac if you're on Mac. Alright, and then go to this link which is in the description, and then click the emotes right here, and there's a bunch of emotes, right? Go to your file manager. You have to go to your file manager, then go to desktop and click Fortnite Pi Bot Master. Alright, these are all there, right? So you have to click install packages.bat and then click run. So a bunch of code is going to pop up, and it's just installing the packages that are needed for the bot. So give it like 15 seconds. And if there's a yellow warning, you can just ignore that. It doesn't matter. Alright, so once it says done, all you have to do is just press any key. So I just press the A key, and then after that what you have to do is click config and then click .json. Click config.json. Alright, so it's gonna bring you up with this page. This page opened for me in Microsoft Visual Studio, but if it doesn't open for you in Microsoft Visual Studio, press the right key and then click open with, and then click Microsoft Visual Studio code right here, like right here, and then click OK, and it'll open automatically in Microsoft Visual. So once you get this thing, all you're gonna have to do is type in like your alt account's email and password. And the reason you need to type in alt account's email and password is because the bot needs an account to log in, right? So you have to type in an email and password of a random account. It doesn't even have to have skins. It can be a default account. So I'm just going to type in the information right now. Make sure you type the email and password correctly, because if you make a mistake, the bot won't work. Alright, so the CID is the skin that the bot loads up with. The BID is the back bling that the bot loads up with. The PID is the pickaxe that the bot loads up with. And the level is 999, which is impossible to get normally. And this is the status. So this is 2184 out of 16. So I'm just gonna make it 1 out of 16. And this shows what platform it's on. This is PlayStation. And this shows like if it'll accept your friend request. You have to make it true. It's already true. Join on invite means it'll join when you invite it. And lastly, what you need to do, it might be there for other people, but for me it's not. So like you have to go and make a space in between BID and PID, and then type in EID and then colon, and then type this in, and then go to this link right here. Just copy the first one, press this, press Ctrl C, which copies it, and then go back to your Microsoft Visual Studio code, and then just press Ctrl V, and you can just capitalize this EID. Alright, and then lastly just put a comma, and if there's a red line right here, that means you did it wrong. If there isn't a red line, that means you wrote it correctly. So just double check that you made everything correct and click file and then click save. And then after like 2 seconds, all you have to do is just exit out. And lastly, you have to go back into your file manager, go into this thing, and then click start bot, and then click run. So this basically starts the bot. So just wait for everything to load up. It'll take around like 20 seconds. Alright, so there's a problem that happened and a lot of people don't know how to fix it, but it's really easy. So if it says please enter the exchange code for whatever email you put for your alt account, you have to go to this link right here, which is in the description below. Type in your alt account email and password, click login. If it asks you for a two-factor authentication code, just verify it, and then at the end it'll show you like a code like right up here, and you have to copy and paste that code into this thing. So you have to copy it and paste it right here, and then you click enter, and then once it says in green client ready as, well, for me my alt account username is like this right here. So once it's in green and says client ready as whatever your username for your alt account is, don't close this. You have to keep this open because the bot won't work if you close it. Alright, so then you have to open Epic Game. So just go into Epic Games and then click Fortnite, and it'll launch Fortnite up. I just waited a little bit and it's about to load up. So once you get into the lobby, I'll show you what to do. Alright, so as you can see, I'm in the lobby. Alright, so sorry, but my Fortnite crashed. So I'm just going to be doing a voiceover on what you have to do. So basically you just load up into your lobby like you saw, and then you have to click add friend, and then you have to enter the Epic Games username of your alt account, and then once you add it, it'll automatically accept your friend request like no matter what, and then go and invite that alt account to your lobby and it'll automatically join. Alright, so once it joins your lobby, press its name and then click whisper. When you click whisper, you should be able to type things to the bot, and there are a bunch of commands that you can make the bot follow, and some of them include like changing its skin and like doing like a bunch of random emotes. So like just to try it out, you can type in the whisper chat !pink goal, and then if you wait a couple seconds, you'll see that the bot changed its skin from a renegade raider to a pink gold trooper. And there's a bunch of other commands which is in the website linked in the description below.